So now listen. So compound interest, basically, they are of three types. Okay. The first one is when the first one is compounded annually. The second one is compounded semi-annually. The third one is compounded quarterly. Okay, compounded quarterly. In some cases, it is also written as compounded monthly. Compounded monthly. Yes, Agatha.
Now you checked our homework, right?
I didn't check it, but I saw that you did a great calculation.
I know I did a
So,
mistake, so I just try to do it again in the morning.
okay, so you guys check your each other answer sheet. You're getting the same answer or not? I mean, that question is randomly I made. I didn't have any answer. I have to check it. I mean, for you guys, calculation, I give the answer. Okay. So, turn your camera, Pitya, Miraculin, David, Christiana, please. Okay. So, in some cases, it is compounded monthly also. It is maybe or may not be in your book, but we'll do one thing. We'll take this also. Okay. Now, how to do this? See, what is the main meaning of compounded annually? The main meaning of compounded annually means that you will apply the interest after 1 year. After 1 year. Means 1 year when it will complete, you will apply the interest. Semi-annually means interest after 6 months. Okay, in this you will apply the interest, but it will be interest after 6 months. Then compounded quarterly means interest after 3 months. Means you will complete the 3 months criteria. Okay, so you will apply the interest. And what is compounded monthly? Interest after 1 means you will apply the interest when the 1 month will come. Did you listen, Christian and Agatha? This is the meaning of compounded semi-annually now. Okay. So if I will take 1 year as an example, if I will take example as 1 year, so in 1 year, how many times you will apply the interest in compounded annually? One time. Did you understand? No. It is one time only, like after the completion of 1 year, then only you will, so in 1 year, you will apply it one time only. Okay. This month, compounded semi-annually, quickly tell how many times you will apply the interest when it is
One year,
compounded semi-annually?
2 times. Two
Two
times.
times. Yes, two times. Means first, like if I will take from starting of the month, like January, February, March, April, May, June, 6 months complete, apply the interest. July, August, September, October, November, December. The next 6 months complete, apply the interest two times. In 1 year, we are taking as a base. Okay. Now quarterly. Quarterly means after
Um,
3 months completion. Yes,
four
directly.
times? Like,
Yes, four times. Why four times? Like January, February, March, complete one. Then April, May, June. July, August, September, October, November, December. Got it? No? Nobody got it? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I will say compounded monthly, then how it will become? If I will say compounded monthly, then it means that it will be after each month. So in year there are 12 months. After a month you are applying the interest. So it will be 12 times. Did you understand, guys? Miracle, turn your camera, please. David, Vidya, turn your camera, please. Okay?
So, can you explain
Yes.
interest after 3 months?
Interest after 3 months means if I will start from this January. So tell me the 3 months January, February, March. 3 months completed. You will apply the interest one time. Then count it. Then Christian count it.
So, then
Yeah,
again,
count it is
so it's
uh,
two.
means
So,
April, May, June. April, May, June. Then two times and then
July, August, September,
three times.
October, November, December.
Four. So 1 year, four times you will apply the interest. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
now the most important. The most important thing is what about rate? I told you many question it is written as rate 12% per annum or 24% per annum, and then you have to calculate the this thing compounded annually or semi-annually, whatever they ask. So remember this thing, rate will also change. For example, if I will take one example, please pay attention, okay? For example, if I will say 24% per annum, 24% per annum. Per annum ka means per year. Okay, annum means year. So if I will calculating compounded annually, so that 24% will be 24 only. Why? Because the whole year we are calculating it. Did you understand? There is interest only one time, and in whole year we are calculating it. So it will be 24% only. But when we are calculating semi-annually, so means we are calculating for first 6 months, then next 6 months. But 6 months is only half now. Are you getting my point? No. 6 months is not annum. Here it is 24% per annum. And 6 months is not annum. 6 months is half month. So it means that the rate will also become half. So in this case, it will be 12% per annum. Did you understand me correctly? Christiana, why it become 12%? Because it's 6 months, half of the months, half of the year. That is why the rate will also become. Now, Bethia, next quarterly, how much it will become? Like 24% was per annum. Now we are calculating quarterly. So for quarterly, what rate it will become?
The six.
Yes, 6. Bethia, can you tell me why? 6.
So, because
Bethia,
it.
Bethia, 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 Bethia. Papa, Bethia, not Christiania. Okay, yes, Bethia.
What?
Yes, tell
What
me,
did you ask?
like this rate, which is 24% per annum, for solving the question for compounded quarterly. In that case, what rate will be this? How much rate it?
12 divided by 4, 3.
Now, 24% per annum was there. Okay? Means for the whole year, it will be 24% per annum. But now we are calculating the interest. Oh, पानी किधर? Just a minute. बस. रवि, 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 बंद कर दो पानी. Okay, sorry for that. So where was I? So 24% per annum is there, which is the per year. Now we are not calculating the interest after 1 year. It is after 3 months we are calculating. Means 4 times in a year. So what rate you will take?
6.
6%. Yes. Okay, 6%. Why? Because 24% is for the year, not for the 3 months. Okay, so it will be 6%. So it will be 6% per annum. Okay, so and for the monthly, Jeshram,
2%.
why 2%? Can you explain me?
Because 1/12 of 24 is 2.
Yes. So the thing is how to get the rate. In that case, the rate is divide that in the times form. Like 12 times divided by 12. The rate of interest per annum divided by 12. 4 times divided by 4. So you will get the 6. 2 times divided by 2. So like this you have to find it. Got it everyone? Agatha, David, Miraculous, Christiana. Yes, Agatha. What else you have? Yes, Agatha. Agatha. Agatha.
Yeah. So we write it as 12% per annum, right? Or
No, 12%
12% per
per semi-annual.
semi-annually.
You have to write 12% per semi-annual. 12% annual per 12% per semi-annual. You have to 6% per quarter. Yeah, 2% per month. Like this it will be. Did you understand, guys? Abraham, you joined after after 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Why you're so late? Abraham, you're late. I think his voice is not connected. Okay.
Sir, can I ask you one question?
Please, two questions, not one. Yes, buy one get one free. Yeah.
Yeah, like finding the person, we have to just divide the like 24 by 2, or like the times.
Yeah, times. Now, it's like in this question, I take 24. If I will take 12% per annum,
Okay,
then
okay,
simple, you have to divide it by time.
okay.
Okay. Every time you will get 24%, it's not necessary.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now, how to solve the question? Okay. So, yesterday, we did one example. Okay. So, I will take the same example. Okay. So, annually, we know the answer, will not solve the annually. Okay. Like the question was, the principal is 10,000. And what was the rate? Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll take a general example and we'll compare every values. Okay. So rate is 12% per annum. Abraham, can you hear me? 12% per annum. Time period is 1 year. And you have to calculate. First is compounded annually. The second one is compounded semi-annually. And the third one is compounded quarterly. So here we have three values that we need to solve. Okay. So compounded annually, compounded semi-annually, and compounded quarterly. Abraham, can you hear me?
Sir,
No? Yes?
mm, okay, so I can't really see the question, so may I repeat it? So the principal is 10,000 rupees, the rate is
Mm,
12%, and
mm.
and anything else?
Time is 1 year.
Time is 1 year.
Okay, and then you have to calculate compounded annually, compounded semi-annually, and compounded quarterly. So you have to calculate each value and then solve it.
Okay.
Okay. Abraham, can you hear me? Am I audible? Yeah. I was asking you're late by 20%, 20%, 20 minutes. Try to join on time. And did you understand this concept which I make this table, or shall I repeat it for you? Rest everyone is doing their question.
No, sir, I've understood it, sir. I've
Okay.
understood.
Pakka na?
Yes, sir. Rebecca
Okay.
ma'am also taught this more or less.
Okay. Perfect. Yes, David, you're saying something?
So we have to solve this right now.
Sorry?
We have to solve it, right?
Yes, of course. Hmm. If you will not solve it, then you'll go and kill Goliath.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we have to use the same formula, right?
Same formula. So I'll solve, like I'll write everything. Okay. So first the rate is, no, first we'll take the principal. In this case, the principal is same, which is 10,000, and the because it is one time only, the rate will be per annum, which is 12% per annum. Okay, 12%, and the time is one. So what is the value of NT? Like how many times you are applying the interest? Only one time. So in this case, the NT value will be 1. Okay. So A is equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 into NT. So you have to put the values and you have to solve it. Did you understand? Now we'll come to the compounded semi-annual. Miracle. How much principal will be there in compounded semi-annually?
Um, 10,000.
10,000. Okay. What will be the rate?
12%.
Listen, listen, listen. It is compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually. So 12% is per annum for year. So the rate it will become,
Like 12 divided by 12.
no, that is monthly, no. It is compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually means after 6 months you will apply the interest.
Oh yeah,
So the rate will become,
yeah.
like in a year, how many times you are applying the interest? In 1 year,
In 1 year,
how many?
one time.
Compounded semi-annually, no. After 6 months you are applying, no.
Yeah, two times.
For
Like two times.
2 times. So the rate will become, then I told you to divide it by time.
Uh,
So 12 divided by 2 is 6%.
yeah.
You have to understand this, okay?
Yes.
And how many times? What is the value of NT in this case?
Um,
Like 2 times you are applying the interest.
two times.
The NT will be 3. Now we'll come to David. David, what is the principal in compounded quarterly?
The principal 10,000.
10,000. And what will be the rate?
3%.
3%. How 3% you get?
3,000.
Yeah, because every 3 months you are applying and it is divided by 4 times, then it will become 3 4. That's correct. And then what is the value of NT?
4.
4 times. Then now you guys, can you solve each question right now quickly and tell me the answer? Abraham, did you understand this? Okay, solve it quickly and tell me the answer.
So do you have to also look for monthly?
No, no monthly. Only free. Abraham, are you doing this?
Yes, sir. So I have to do all of these, sir.
Yes. You have to do this one also, and this one also.
So
Yes.
I have a question, sir. When you go to
Mhm.
semi-annually and compounded quarterly, the rate also gets divided.
Yes. Yes. Of course. See, the above question is rate 12% per annum. Like after 1 year, we are applying the rate. But if it is compounded semi-annually, it is not a year, it is half year. So the rate will become also half.
Okay, sir, I understood.
Okay. In the same way, the rate will become 3%. Why? Because 4 times in 1 year we are applying interest 4 times. The rate will also become 4 times. No, it's per annum, but now it's become per quarter. 3% per quarter. One each quarter. Year 12%. How much you got, guys?
For the
Sentence.
first ones, I got 1,200.
1,200.
Yes,
Maybe
sir,
correct.
as the CR.
Okay.
Yeah, for the second one, I got 11286.
Say loudly.
For the sec for the second one, I got 11286.
Okay, let me check. I got 11,200. No, that is correct.
Yes, sir, that is correct.
Now this one, P plus 1 plus R upon 8. amount I will calculate for this 10,000 and
So
the
for
yes,
annuities, I got compounded semi-annually, so I got 1,236.
let me check. Let me check. Eight plus six, right? One zero six one one correct. Two. Okay. Now for this, A is equals to B into 1 plus R upon right? The amount is equals to principal is 10,000 into 1 plus now B upon right? Into empty value is 4 times. No? Amount is equals to 10,000 100 plus 3 upon 100. The amount will be
So for the third one, I got uh, 11255.0881.
check this and this will cut this and this will cut. And now gonna be maybe you can vectors with the vectors 103, 103, I will get 1092 7 1092 Is it this one?
So, so
Yes.
that's raised to the power of 4. How do you do 103 into 103 into 103?
Oh, good point. Very good. So let me use one more time of vectors. 103, it's 11255. 11255 0881 0881 upon 1 2 4 this then this equals the point. Now it is 11255.08. Everyone got this answer only?
Yes, sir. Is it fine if we write for the last one A equals 11,255.08?
Yeah, it's okay. Now, why we calculate this thing? Okay. So if I will calculate the interest, so what the interest will be? Amount minus principal. So what is amount? 11,200 minus principal was 10,000. So here I got the interest as 1,200. Everyone got my point? Say yes or no? Hmm? In this case, what compound interest will be there? 11236. Sorry, 11,200 minus 1. Sorry, 11236 minus 10,000. I will get the compound interest is 1,236 rupees. And the third one is CI will be 11255. I'm not considering 08 just for easy calculation. And that will be 10,000. So CI got 1125. Am I wrong?
So,
No,
can I ask a
55.
question?
Yes.
Like when we are subtracting a number, when it's a decimal, when there is a decimal, we will not take the numbers which are after the decimal, no? Like,
I mean, we have to take. We have to take. So I'll tell you that decimal subtraction. I will tell you. Just give me a second, guys. Listen, guys. So
Sir,
now, why? Yes.
this 11155 is 1255, not 115.
Where?
The third one, quarterly wala.
Where?
Huh.
Where?
You changed it, nothing else.
What is it? What is the proof for? What is the proof?
So
I am a
shouldn't it be in
believer.
decimal?
Yes. I mean, yes, it is decimal, but we are 0.08 is too like complicated. Like I'm just trying to say what I'm trying to say, guys. Listen. The thing is, here I am same amount is there. Everyone please pay attention. Now this is the important thing which I'm trying to say. It's like a last part of a preaching, conclusion. Okay, the thing is, same amount is there, same rate percent is there, same time is there. The difference is compounded annually, semi-annually, and quarterly. Hmm? And if you will compare it, we are paying when the compounded is becoming, I mean, quarterly or semi-annually like that. So we can conclude this in your future. If you are going to take a loan, ask the banker, what are you guys to do? Compounded annually, quarterly, and semi-annually. They will say, sir, these both are same thing. Then you will say, Hardik sir teaches us they are not same thing. We are paying more in compounded quarterly part. Got it, guys? No. Means if you are doing more interest in 1 year, you are paying more. Even the rate of they will say, sir, the rate of interest will become less. They will say like that. Okay, they are very good in buttering and all. They will say, sir, we have a good scheme. It is only 2% per annum, or we can say 3% per quarter. They will say, sir, we will apply the rate of interest only 3%. We will not say per quarter, per annum, or per semi-annum. Are you getting this? If it is per quarter, it is more worse than 12% per annum. Are you getting this? 3%, they will say rate is 3%. They will not mention it's quarter or annum or semi-annum. If it is quarter, it is worse than 12% per annum. Okay, so you are not a good buyer, then you become a, we can what is say? They prank on you. No, not prank. I mean, I'm not getting the word. Are you getting this,
Scam.
guys? Scam. Yeah, scam on you. Okay, you guys understood my emotion. So that my teaching is by emotion, not by my language. Okay. Did you understand, guys? Okay, so this is the difference. Now, if I will calculate the monthly, now, then also, even though rate of percent is only one, rate of interest is only one, but still you will pay more because you are doing the interest in one. Okay, so now because David says scam, so I had an idea to scam. The scam is to give me homework. So let me take out the homework part. Let me check. Uh, uh, Agatha, are you there? Can you hear me? Agatha,
Yes.
yes, can you write the homework on swing and you write it down? And can you put it in the group for
Okay, sir.
everyone? Yes, please. So first homework is my tab is not working. Thanks, David, for praying, but we will give the homework. Example 8.37, 8.38, 8.39, 8. No, 8.7. Okay, these three questions. I'm a good teacher. Three questions for now, then 20 questions for tomorrow because we have 2 days for a holiday.
Okay, so example 8.37, 8.35, and 8.36.
No. 8.37, 8.38, 8.39. These three
Um,
questions.
Agatha, I know you want more homework, but don't try to make it more for us.
I mean, yeah, if you want to do that example, I can give that homework also. David, you want?
No, sir, it's fine, it's fine. Not
Yes,
needed.
yes, you want?
Not needed. No,
Ah,
not needed.
okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So now you guys have 2 minutes break. Come back in 2 minutes. We'll start the science class. Till then, bye, Joshua. We'll meet tomorrow. Call Joshua. Yeah, I'm hearing from right here. Haha, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Come back in 2 minutes. Come back in 2 minutes. Come back in 2 minutes. Please.
David, did you watch yesterday's match?
Yes, I did. I'm supporting Argentina.
Huh?
I was supporting Argentina.
I was supporting England.
Of course.
Who do
It
you
was a
think will win
really
the
intense
final?
match.
Yeah. Who do you think will win the final? Spain or Argentina?
Spain.
It's-
Okay.
It could be anybody, okay?
I feel Spain will
I
win, but you never know.
Yeah, because Messi last 10 minutes,
Yeah.
he'll do something crazy.
If
That's what he did for past 2 months.
if England would have just kept the ball outside, kept taking throw-ins and kept it out of their area, they would have won easily.
The thing is, right, their
Mhm.
manager made them play defensive the moment they scored one goal. So, like 40 plus minutes.
Yeah,
That's why.
yeah. Like when they got like last 9 minutes, extra 9 minutes, I was like, okay, you have 9 minutes, just do something crazy. And then they goaled. I was like, okay, now just play like defense. Don't let them get the ball. There were like at least 7 times they tried to goal and it did not go in.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't get like I watched most of the match, but then after that, like yeah, I think I watched the whole match. Yeah, I like fell asleep in between, but
Argentina was
Man, in
fouling.
this intense match, you can never sleep.
I can because like everywhere it's dark. I'm just watching the dark, so and nothing to keep me awake.
Keep popcorns with you. Who are you supporting, Spain or Argentina?
Both actually, I'm fine. I'm happy with
Spain.
either one. Either one of them wins, I'm fine.
They're just betraying Argentina, dude.
No. I'm a Messi fan and a Barca fan.
Uh-huh.
So like either like
Then
one
why'd
of
you
them
say
wins, I'm fine.
Spain? Then why'd you say Spain?
Because because Spain, most of the players in Spain are from Barcelona.
Oh, just because Yamin Yamal?
Not Lamine Yamal, there's Pau Kubasi, there's Dani Olmo, there are so many other players.
Yeah, but see, don't betray your own
I want
fun.
Argentina
Like,
to win, and if
yeah,
they
because
don't
then
win,
this will be
it's
last
also
of
fine with me.
Messi's.
Yeah, I know. If they don't win, it's also fine. Like, I will prefer that Argentina wins, but if they don't win, it's also fine with me.
If Argentina loses, no, I'm not kidding. It's gonna be like crazy because even Neymar lost, he retired. Ronaldo lost, he retired.
Yeah.
मैं
So
तो ऐसे लोगों को
Who
बोलता
might
हूँ ना
just
कि
win
ऊपर
another
से
World
हार्दिक
Cup.
भी बार बार मुझे कहता है मम्मी पहले वाले पैसे भागने के लिए वो तो आप देने वाले चाहे कितनी ही परेशानी हो इतने क्या पैसों की जरूरत पड़ रही है सारे तो पैसे लोगों से ले रहे हैं Okay, guys, come back. So we were doing refractive index, yes, and we did the major part of the refractive index. Today we'll do the lens. Did I tell you anything that you have to remind me before studying this? No, no.
I think you told Christina, but she left.
Say it again.
I think you told Christina or someone to remind you about tomorrow.
Ishena, what you want me to remind? I am Bhula Bhatka. Yes,
Told about the lesser than
that is completely that you didn't do your duty. No, this is wrong. That you have to remind me yesterday. No, no, no.
no sir, you said today, sir. You told me to remind today something.
No, not at all.
No,
You
no,
forgot.
Christina. He said the day before yesterday, like
Hmm.
said to remind yesterday.
So that
Yes.
refracted index lesser or more value. That one
Yeah.
is
hang
We.
on, you said it yesterday to remind less or more.
No, you remain in the Argentina and then France match.
No,
You also
really, I'm
forgot.
not kidding.
Not kidding.
No, Betty, I remember.
Yes. Day
I
before
noted it.
yesterday, I asked you guys to tell me the lesser than. Yesterday only we did no refractive index is more than one and less than one. That is lesser and more than. Good morning, Betya. Good night, Betya. Okay. Okay, guys. So what we were doing this part, and we'll do the lens part today. Put a heading lens. Put a heading lens. Okay. Now, lens is basically it's two types. Okay. So lens is two types. Okay. In your book. No, even in your book, it's not two types. In CBSE book, basically, there are two types. But in your book, it is one, two, three, four, five, six types. Okay. But we're gonna learn in two only, but we'll make the each type. Now, I'll tell you what is lens. Lens is when two glasses are bound together, they are called as lens. Did you understand? When two, uh, two what? Two glasses bound together, they are called as lens. So it means that the lens can be in many shapes because two glass can be joined in as many as shapes. No? So, what is lens? A lens is a transparent optical device that bends the focuses and light rays via reflection. It is made up of glass or plastic, which are curved to redirect the light. Means, if I will take one definition of lens, um, so here you guys can see the definitions of lens. It's a it's a glass or transparent medium, okay, which is made up of glass and transparent medium with curved sides and concentrating dispersing light. Means it is helps in dispersing the light. Okay, there are two types of main things here. Okay, now listen, guys, listen. There are two types of main lens are there. First is concave lens. And the second one is convex. Okay. So convex lens gonna be look like this. This is a convex lens. It's like a mango seed. This is convex. And concave lens gonna be look like this. So if I will give the definition of this is taper in the end and bulge, or we can say thicker in the middle. Taper in the end and thicker in the middle. And this one is concave, which is in the middle, it is thin, and in the end, it is broader. So we can say broader at the end and thinner in the middle. Yes, somebody is saying something. Yes, please.
By something like taper, you meant thin, right?
Yeah, taper and this. Taper means thin only. So you guys can see that the concave and convex are both opposite in nature. Yes, how? It is thinner in the end, thicker in the middle. This is thinner in the middle, thicker in the end. Of course, they both are opposite to each other. Hence, they share different properties of it. How? Now, I would like to I would like to ask this question: which mirror is converging mirror? Yes, unmute your mic. Which mirror is called as converging mirror?
Concave.
Convex.
Concave. No. Concave is the converging mirror. Okay. So in this also, concave is which lens? Diverging. Did you understand? Now, why the person who gave the name of this concave and convex make it like this? I don't know. Don't ask this question. It's why they give the name that as a concave lens. That it's converging. I don't know. Okay, the person who gave the name, you go and eat their head. Okay, don't. The simple is, I am not a teacher. I am not the person, namer person. So, just learn this. The concave lens is diverging lens, and convex lens is converging converging lens. This one is converging. Oh, I wrote it here. Now, how will I shift it? Okay, David, can you see this? I can put here also. Okay, did you listen, guys? So remember this thing: lens and mirror are opposite. Concave mirror, you can write on the top of a copy. Concave mirror,
Sir,
converging mirror. Yes.
concave lens is a converging lens, right? Or should we say
Con-
mirror?
no, 11.
Okay.
Oh, my bad. So write it down on the top of your copy. What I'm saying, write it down. Concave mirror. Write it down. Concave mirror equals to converging mirror. Write it down. Abraham, are you writing? Concave mirror is equals to converging mirror. Concave lens is equals to diverging Okay. Concave mirror is equals to converging mirror. Concave lens is equals to diverging lens. Then next line, concave convex mirror, diverging mirror. Convex mirror is equals to diverging mirror. Convex lens is equals to converging lens. Now, now listen to this. Now, the six types. Now we'll learn about the six types. Okay, so I'll zoom it little for more clear. Now listen. Now what happened that one side of a lens is look like concave. Okay, please pay attention, guys. Please now. One side is look like concave, and another side is look like plane. So what gonna be name of this? Plane or concave. One side is look like concave, other side is look like plane. It's called as plano concave. We just have to name the. We just have to remember the name. Plano concave. Got it? Okay. Another type. Another type is one side of this thing is concave. Okay. Another side is convex. I'm repeating again. Please pay attention. One side of this is concave, which is the major part, and the smaller part is convex. This one is called as con convexo concave. Convexo concave. Convexo. Got it? Now,
Sir, so plane of concave mirror, lens.
and and now listen. Now we'll talk about convex. So one side of this is convex, and another side is plane. So what will be the name of this? Joshua, can you tell me the name? One side is convex side, and another side is plane. So what will be the name?
Convexo concave.
No, no. Another side is plane.
Plane of concave,
Vex.
convex.
Yes. No. And the third one is one side is convex, another side is concave. Means this part.
Okay.
This part only. Okay. So this one is called as concavo convex.
Convex.
That comes.
That name of concave, there are convex.
Say loudly, say loudly. All
So
people.
that concave is there, right? Is it just concave or is it like concave or something like that?
Concavo.
So, sir,
इस month का visible birthday. Yes.
uh, concave lens is also part of the six types. Like,
Concave lens.
yeah, concave lens and plano concave lens, convex.
Yeah. So means this is emerges this two
Like there are
lenses.
six.
Yeah, this emerges these two lenses.
So total in the lenses itself, there are six types.
Means there are more kinds, not six. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I discussed it should be this thing. Yeah, Abraham, are you ready for Monday presentation? Yeah, mute. I mean, I can't hear you, even though you are on mute, but the voice is not there.
Almost.
Almost perfect. So it means that Monday there will be the presentation, guys. So Agatha, can you put that message in the group that Monday we have a presentation? Please.
So
Sir,
just
even
hold it. No
Abraham will.
homework, no studying, no
No
like
study, no homework. No study, no homework. I will divide the time after this class. Yes, Dave.
Sir,
Yes,
I have
Dave.
a feeling Abraham will give that competition which we have
Yes.
to have.
So the thing is, guys, you don't have to say when you receive the gift. You don't have to say to anybody. Okay, means if, like for example, if Joshua get and he will say to Abraham, then excitement will like it won't be there. If you have that bell ring at your house and the delivery boy came and you got the gift, it means that you are the winner. Okay? Okay. Okay, guys. So this is concave and convex. Now put a heading convex lens. So first we'll talk about the convex lens. Convex lens. Okay. Now we'll talk about convex lens. So first of all, this is a convex lens. So in mirror, we have the midpoint. It is called as pole. This has a midpoint. It is called as O. O stands for optical center. O stands for optical center. So there is pole, which is the midpoint of a lens, and this is optical center, which is the midpoint of a lens. And remember this thing, this line also you have to make. Oh, it's gonna be look like this. It should be the midpoint of the lens. So from this distance also and from this distance also you have to make. Now a line passing through pole, a, a line passing through pole.
Principal axis.
So everything else is like same other than the pole.
We'll check it out. We'll check it out. Okay. Now listen, guys. So here, can you see this is two circles are there? Like this is the one circle gonna be look like one circle, and this gonna be look like second circle. So two circles means two center. In this also we have two center. So for example, this is the first center, we say C1, and this is the second center, which is C2, which is called a center of gravity. Okay. Now listen guys. So of course, two center is the same mirror we have. Focus we will have. So here this will be the F1 and this will be the F2. Focus is the midpoint. Focus is the midpoint. Now listen guys, one important thing which I am trying to say right now. If you take F1 and O distance as 5 centimeter, that F1 and C1 distance should also be 5 centimeter because F1 is the midpoint.
10 centimeters.
Listen first. And the second one is if you will take O and F2 is also 5 centimeter and F2 and C2 is also 5 centimeter. Means each difference should be 5 centimeter. If you're taking value as 5. If you're taking value as 4, each value should be 4 centimeter. Did you understand? Now you ask.
So all the like focal length should be 5, and then like C1 to CF should be 5.
Yes, C1 to F1, F2 and C2 5, F2 and O 5. Everything should be 5. If you're taking value as 5, if you're taking value 4, everything should be 4.
Is there
Okay.
focal length in this?
Yeah, focal length is there.
Okay.
The same thing is there, not difference is there. Yes, Yashodhata.
Okay.
So it can be any length, sir.
Any length, but the length, any length you take should be equal. No, like it's not like that. That if you are taking this as 5, 2, and this is an 6. No, it's wrong. If you're taking any one value 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Hala for a reason. Did you understand? Okay. Okay. Now, in this lens, we will not write here as C1 or C2. We know that it's C1 and C2 only, but we will not write as C1 and C2. We will write 2F1 and 2F2, which means that twice of F1 and twice of F2. Got it? So the C1 and 2F1 are both are same thing. But in your book it is written as 2F1, then we will take as 2F. Now why it is written? Go and ask to the NIS person why they wrote C2F1 not C. Okay? I am a healthy person, don't eat my head. Okay guys? So these are some values that we need to learn. Optical center, principal axis, 2F2, 2F1, F1 and F. Got it everyone? Now put a heading, rules for the formation of image in a convex lens. Rules for the formation of image in convex lens. We can do this thing, David, we can do this thing also. You know that? Like I can shift this to make the space and then I can put this in between. Technology. Got it? Okay. So now listen. The first rule is same thing. If a line is parallel to the principal axis, then it will go to focus. Now, which focus it will go? It will go this F2. Now, listen, guys, this is an important point. Listen, please. The thing is, for example, this is a line which is parallel to the principal axis. Now, it will go through which focus? Obviously, it is a lens. The light will go forward direction only. It will not come back to the backward direction. So, it will be this. Got it, everyone? So the first rule is if a line is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it will go through focus. Now remember this thing. One important thing which I want to say that the line, the dotted line that you made, you have to bend the line from this point only. Don't bend from here. Don't bend from here. No, you have to bend the line from the midpoint, the center line, like I did.
So when you said
Hmm.
bent, what do you mean?
The bending. Here's a bending. No, you can see the bending. We are
Um,
deviating the light now.
okay.
So
Oh, so
this
it
point.
means you have to
Hmm.
touch the incident ray and reflected ray in the main line.
Yeah, that
Okay.
main line is the bending point.
Okay.
Done,
So
guys. This is the first rule. Yeah.
so when we like if there is anything called like what is the meaning of O and F2 with the stuff? Well, the line when you ask, is there a name?
No, no, no.
Just a line.
This is just a line, and from the midpoint of the means from that line you have to bend the ray. Now write it down the law quickly. If a line is if a line is parallel to the principal axis, Christiana, Abraham, turn your camera please. If a line is parallel to the principal axis,
Yes,
after refraction, yes, Christiana.
I didn't really turn on my camera. Can I rejoin?
Okay, no problem. No to rejoin. 5 minutes are left. It's
Okay.
okay. If a line is parallel to the principal axis, after refraction, after refraction, it will go through focus. F2. It will go through focus F2. F2. Now second one.
So like when we're talking about mirror, then only the convex mirror like when it's going through sorry parallel to the principal axis going through focus. So it will go through F1, right? If there is.
Say it again. Say it again.
So when we're talking about convex mirror, when we draw that and there's only one focus and one curvature and all.
That has only one focus and one color.
Okay.
Okay. Now listen, guys. This is the second law. If a line is going through F1, it will become parallel to the principal axis. The converse of the first one. Did you understand, guys? If a line is, no, Joshua?
Can you repeat that, sir?
If a line is going through point F1, if a line is going through
Going
point
through.
F1, point F1, then it will become parallel to the principal axis. Joshua, you didn't understand?
It will become parallel to the principal axis.
Yes. Yes, Joshua. Understood. If you understood, then I will do that.
The line
Yeah.
going to the point after that, what is it?
If a line is going through point F1, which is a focus, principal focus, it will become parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it will become parallel to the first. Done. Now the third rule. The third rule is if a line is going through optical center, then it will go straight. Like this. Yes, yes, Joshua.
So do we have to make a new diagram for every new answer?
Yes, yes. Three rules. You have to make three diagrams. Okay. I mean, you guys don't have smart notebook. I have my smart card. I can do it. I can make the straight line like that. I don't have to make again and again diagram. Okay. So you guys
Sir,
have to make a diagram. Yes. Huh?
can you say the rule 3 one more time?
Yeah. If
I
a
don't
line.
understand.
Yeah. If a line is passing through optical center, if a line is passing through optical center, then it will be undeviated. It will be undeviated in the bracket, right? In a straight line. It will go in a straight line. Did you understand? So we have three rules. Okay, it's similar to the mirror only. Parallel, focus, focus, parallel, optical center, remain undeviated. Simple.
So for the
Sir,
third one, it's like this.
Sorry?
If a line is passing through optical center, then it will be undeviated. Then bracket we should say straight, right?
Yeah, it will go in a straight line. Okay, it will go in a straight line.
Sir,
Yes,
what is the sign on the 2F, sir?
this is this is two marks I got in my SST when I was in sixth class. Out of 10. Okay, got it. So these are the some rules that we need to remember, and we have to work on it so that tomorrow, Agatha, tomorrow when we will make the diagram, so we'll make it. Okay? Okay, guys. Okay, I mean, guys, I am doing just like jokes, huh? I mean, don't take it seriously. Okay? Okay? Because I am not a serious guy. That is perfect. But Christiana, this is very bad. You have to remind me yesterday, not today. Okay,
Like
so I hope
I'm
you have
seeing
enjoyed the
like
class. Yes, Miracle.
yeah, like I'm seeing first time a teacher putting sunglasses while teaching.
I am a cool teacher.
Sir, I can see the
Uh,
light reflecting through your sunglasses.
see, that much shine is there in my eyes. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Bye bye. Sayonara. Bye. We'll meet tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir.
Sir.
Hello, Eva, Hannah, and Johanna. Good morning.
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.